Hi, I am Teresa Duarte and I am the head of the Chemical Engineering Department here at Técnico Lisboa. I would like to give you some figures of my department. So we are 60 staff members and we have 35 research people that helps us in the teaching, as well as 35 postdocs. We have around 550 students, both at first and second cycle, and we have 75 PhD students, and of all those, around 60% are women. Well, the department is heavily involved in the three, both at bachelor level, master level and PhD level. We are really involved in the chemical engineering bachelor and master degrees, and the materials engineering master and also the bachelor degrees. And in the master we are involved in the molecular science and engineering, which is really a recent one, and we are deeply involved in that one. But we also participate with degrees that are offered by other departments, like the environmental engineering, both at the bachelor and master degree, and also in other degrees that are held by other departments. At doctoral level, the department is heavily involved in the chemical engineering one, and of course the chemistry PhD. Well, first of all, because Técnico is really a renowned school of the University of Lisbon. So it is really the place to come. And it is renowned both at the national and international level. And most of all, it is located in the capital of Portugal, in the beautiful city of Lisbon. So really, it's a nice place to come. But above all, we are providing an education based in top international standards, and we promise you a good relationship between the university and the world around us, like industry and also society. You are really encouraged to be an entrepreneur. We have really innovation centers, job creation and knowledge. So really the good place to come is Técnico Lisboa. Well, Técnico definitely offers a competitive environment with highly technical courses that will be fundamental for the graduates to succeed in the real world. So we can help you to really succeed in the real world. Faculty staff has large interactions with international universities and research centers, and also with the Portuguese environment at the industry level. We have now a new teaching model that really includes hands-on training, and that where you can also complement your hands-on training on technical stuff with other vast formations in interactions with research projects at the research units we have here around here, and also present some flexibility, so really can go engage in mobility programs abroad, or stay in and have other subjects like humanities, arts and other subjects that can really complement your formation as a social being. So really you can all learn to be very experienced technical course, or also become a better member of your society by learning how to deal with people and other subjects. Well, here at the department, the bachelor are usually taught in Portuguese because it's our mother language. But if you come to a course that is on the bachelor level, we immediately change to English. So if you really want to come to us, come also at the bachelor level, because we will be teaching in English. At the master and PhD level, the subjects are all taught in English. Well, generally speaking, nowadays the students should differentiate their CV. It's not the technical part only, but you also have to acquire other experience to complement it. So it's really very important to really live the life of the institution you are in. For instance, at the undergraduate level, students should participate in initiatives of the students like TL Motor or other initiatives that we have here at Técnico. But we also have something really different here at the Department of Chemical Engineering. We have a 2-week stay in research labs. So all the students are accommodated in research labs of the department, and they will have 2 weeks of research. So they will learn and get to know the people that are involved in research at the lab. At the master, I would recommend definitely that you do a mobility program. Go on Erasmus to any other international school to see how the other people behave, to get to know the people there, and also how they teach different experiences on the teaching level, and not only at the teaching level. Don't forget that you are inserted in a society, and really that's important for you. And at the PhD level, please go and stay abroad in other research units, go to conferences, explore this internationalization that you can have both at the technical level. That's really important, but never forget that you are a person in the world, so really you have to acquire all these expertises. Well, to start, I think that the dream job really depends on the person. So if you have a dream job, go for it, and really that's important. But I can give you some examples of students that were previous with us. For instance, we have students that are now full professors at the international universities. One example is Nun Maulid, that is now a full professor at the University of Vienna, and the recipient of 2 European research grants. So really is really at the top at the moment. And we also have, for instance, Zita Martins, that is with us here. Is a teaching professor here at our department, but she is participating in different space missions. She was previously collaborating with NASA, and now she's collaborating with the European Space Agency, both in programs like Ariel, ExoCube, and also she's a team member now at the Japanese space mission that is called Hayabusa 2. We have, of course, engineers and researchers all over the world. Paulino Dias is the Director of Strategy and Sustainability, Crop Science and Smallholder Farming at the Bayer, so really a very well-known international institution. And as a little bit different, but also quite nice, is the job that Vitor Lopes, that did his PhD here with us in 2003, and was a data scientist at Barclays London, and is now the director of applied research at Real Madrid Football Club. Well, first of all, come to us, because we can really teach you a very good course, and we'll be able to go anywhere else in the world with our both at master or a bachelor level. If you have any doubts, go to the admissions office. But before coming, why don't you speak with the coordinator of the course you want to do? If you speak to them, they will tell you everything that you really want to know about the course and where the subjects that will be taught, and also maybe if you want to see if the offer is good for going to work either here or in your home country, just ask us, because we are really willing to help you. So please, admission office and the coordinator of the different courses. Well, we have different projects that we are involved, and we are now deeply concerned with CO2, of course, and we are also involved in the biorefineries. So we want fuels and value-added compounds from biomass, for instance. We have the production of biojet fuel, the recovery of lithium from, for instance, exhausted lithium batteries. And we are also involved in solar light-driven photocatalysis and for water purification, for example, and with bio-derived carbon fibers. These are just some examples of some of the projects that we are involved now. Well, if you like chemistry and chemical engineering, please come and join us here at the Chemical Engineering Department at Técnico Lisboa. Chemical engineering was thought to be harmful, but if you really look now, it's not harmful anymore. We are recovering the world. We are recovering CO2 from the atmosphere. We are purifying the water. We are now really involved in creating new fuels, and really we are now helping everybody everyday's life. So really come to us, the Chemical Engineering Department here at Técnico Lisboa.